Hello, welcome to a new Brickright video. Today we're going to be turfing all this area. We've already got our ground prep with all our soil, which I did all on my own, as usual. Yeah, we got our turf ready outside. All we got to do is bring it in, lay it down, and we'll show you the process. And you've seen us laying the turf, it's in. It looks really nice. It's all done. We just got to put the nets up now, grab our rackets and play a game of tennis. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.